What's going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today I'm super excited because we are taking a look at the Brinkley Model Z 2900. This fifth wheel is luxury. Wait till you see it. Let's check it out. Alright, so before we get inside of this RV, I just want to talk about the outside real quick. I love the look and design of Brinkley. They look so classic, but yet so modern. Coming into the RV, you have solid steps as well as this awesome handrail and the Lippert screen defender on the door. Stepping inside the RV, we're going to head to the front to the master bedroom. Inside of this front bedroom, there is storage everywhere. You have storage above the bed, alongside of the bed, and also in this slide out, which flows right into the bathroom. Alright, now let's take a look at the bathroom. The sink is a little bit on the smaller side, but the shower makes up for it because there is a lot of headroom. You also have a toilet and this little toilet paper holder that's magnetic to the wall. Brinkley started doing that, and now I see it all the time. You also have a mirror and 3 hooks to hang up towels. Also, on each side of the bed, there's these little cute sconces. Alright, now that we've toured the master bedroom, let's head into the living room and kitchen to see what else this coach has to offer. Coming into the kitchen, you have so much storage and cabinet space on the island, as well as a huge stove, microwave, and refrigerator. As we make our way into the living room, you can see that there is this ottoman that comes with every Brinkley that flips up into a table. The leather and the fabric of the sofa and furniture is so nice. There's also cabinet space everywhere throughout the living room. And then you have this dining room table that pulls out with extensions to create a little office space. Back to the part of the kitchen with the cabinet space. There's so much of it, and I love the lights that Brinkley is using. They're these flush lights that sit in the ceiling. That's actually a speaker, but this other one is a light, and it's super bright, but so small, and you don't even notice it. That right there was the tour of the inside of the Brinkley, so let's get back onto the outside, and I just want to show you the back of the Brinkley Model Z. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you have toured a Brinkley and what your thoughts are on Brinkley. Do you think it is more of a quality RV than other RVs? Let me know. This right here is the Rhino Box hitch. And then I want to show you the back. The tail lights, the storage, the frameless windows. Everything is just so nice. There's a ladder, backup camera, and even the wiring of the slide out is just so neat and put together. This RV is definitely quality. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and travel adventures. See you on the road.